Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through caloric tests. So what is a caloric test? A caloric test is a diagnostic procedure used to assess the function of the inner ear and the vestibular nerve, which aids in balance and spatial orientation. Warm or cool water is introduced into the ear canal during the test, which causes a temporary disruption in the balance system. The vestibular response is then assessed by monitoring eye movements. With this test, healthcare professionals can gain a comprehensive picture of a patient's condition when experiencing dizziness and can develop a treatment plan that is tailored to their specific needs. It is used by a variety of professionals, including audiologists, ENT physicians, as well as other medical experts. Here's how to use a caloric test. The first step is to read the procedure instructions and reminders to make sure you're testing accurately. You will then need to conduct the procedure as outlined. The final step is to add supporting evidence if needed, which should be incorporated within the patient's treatment. To view a sample of the test, feel free to check out carepatron.com. You can access the test through our template section within our platform, filter by community and by notes or assessment, and you should be able to locate the test. If you'd like to find it faster, type in the keywords